Brush them. Brush them. Don't know. You're going to choke yourself. Come here. Open up. Here, we can put a little more toothpaste on. Come here. Here you go. You're training toothpaste. You ready? Come on. Take your toothbrush. Brush your teeth. Good job. Brush your top teeth. Brush your top teeth. Are you worried about what Daddy's doing, huh? Don't choke. Good job. Come here. Get those bottom teeth. Oh, good job. Get those top teeth. Okay, are you done? Okay, rinse this off. Rinse it off. Hold on. Come here, little stander.
One sock on, one sock off.
Just like Connor. I have no idea where he how I could even be comfortable. Okay, come here. Ready? Ready? Come on. Come on. I know. Oh, we love brushing our teeth. I know. It's so fresh and so clean. Look at you. Hi. Hi. Come here. Okay.